Hello, welcome to the day 7 of today's food challenge. Today we are going to deal with arrays. Okay, so this is our problem definition. Given an array A of n integers, okay, print A's element in reverse order as a single line of space separated numbers. So this is what we need to do. Further, there is an example 1, 2, 3, 4 is the input and 4, 3, 2, 1 in the means inputs reverse order is our output. And this is our test case. Okay, so here we can see that number of elements is already taken over here, and arrays is taken as a list form. Okay, so what we need to do is let's try to make an array from list. Okay, so int array equal to new int of size n. Okay, for int x of what, of array. Okay, so array is already taken, so we need to type it as array2. Okay, and here I equal to 0 for index position. X array to I equal to x. Okay, and then increment the value of I. So now we convert, means we already convert the list into array. So here a variable I is already taken, so we need to take another variable name. Let's take j. Okay.